Century egg production. Century eggs are one of the most unique delicacies. Have you ever tried the legendary century egg? This time, let's take a look at how century eggs are made. In front of us, there are over 60 adult ducks. Every night, from late evening until early morning, the female ducks will go into the nesting boxes to lay eggs. The workers quietly collect the eggs from the boxes, without disturbing the ducks in the slightest. The production process of century eggs officially begins. The eggs are placed on a conveyor belt for light inspection. The AI detector will identify each egg's three-dimensional image. Duck eggs with cracks or uneven egg whites will be picked out by the sorting machine. They will be manually checked again. Once the eggs are sorted, they are sent to the marination area. Compared to the traditional method of wrapping eggs in mud and ash, which is time-consuming and labor-intensive, the factory mostly uses the soaking method for marination. The eggs are placed in an alkaline marinating solution for 30 to 45 days. Once marinated, the eggs are ready for cleaning. The worker submerges the whole batch of duck eggs into a water pool. The eggs will travel along the conveyor belt, passing through a water spray area for thorough cleaning. Workers check each egg one by one, looking for any cracks or poor gel consistency in the eggs. They ensure that every century egg passing through is of high quality. After sorting, the century eggs proceed to the final packaging process.